I'm Red Danny of the Filipino Freethinkers. And one thing that I'd like to raise about this issue is I do not appreciate how the representatives of the CBCP or the group that claim to be the president of so-and-so Catholic organizations, they claim that they represent all of the Catholics or all of the Christians in this country. It's very clear.
That's misinformation again.
Yeah, you said that all the Christians should feel.
Let's try not to quote other people.
Thank you.
Quiet down, please.
Thank you, guys. Yeah. So we already know, like through several of the recent controversial issues, like of all the controversial issues, this is probably the least controversial. We have the RH bill, we have divorce, and the recent surveys have shown that majority of Catholics disagree with what the CBCP is saying. And I guess it's hard, it's a challenge for them.
Dali lang po.
It's your name.
Usapan natin, walang name calling, ha? Huwag rin kayo magtuturo at mag-name call, ha?
Yeah, last time I checked, CBCP is not a derogatory term.
Okay. I'm sorry, but can you just get your point quickly?
Yeah. Okay, I'm not trying to insult anyone. I just like to remind everyone that we live in a democratic country. That might be hard to wrap around. That idea might be hard to wrap around for someone who's used to a theocracy, where everyone is supposed to adhere to a certain mindset at the threat of damnation. But we are a democracy, and everyone's rights should be equally respected, especially the fundamental human rights of freedom of expression. There is no fundamental human right not to be offended. Thank you very much.